We already know that AI can be used to create thank you pages, landing pages, newsletters, and more. So now it's your turn to create an AI email marketing campaign in just a few minutes. Let's go. In the long list of tools available in GetResponse, choose the AI campaigns feature. In just a few clicks, you will create a newsletter landing page and welcome page. All of them will be tailored to your needs. Your job is to add final adjustments to them. First of all, step number 1 is to give your campaign a name. The campaign name can be related to holidays and events like Black Friday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, etc. In my case, I want to create a campaign for Halloween. Choose the list where you want your new contacts to be added and move forward. Step number 2 is tailor your messages to the customers. Clearly specify everything about your field and product, your target audience, and your company name. Remember to be as specific as we can. AI will help you. Then select the preferred tone of your communication and click on the Next Step button. The final step, number 3, is pretty simple. Choose the color palette to go with and upload your logo. There is also the possibility of choosing a custom palette so you can align it exactly with your brand colors. After you are done, click on the Generate button. Wait a minute while AI creates your content for an email marketing campaign. And here we are. Thus far, AI has created our landing page, autoresponder, and newsletter. As you can see on the right, they are still unpublished. Now we can review our content to do a bit of the tuning. Let's first go to the landing page draft by clicking on the review button. This is the content that you can get some inspiration from. Of course, you always have to edit AI-generated content according to your preference. For example, change the pictures, if necessary, adjust the colors, and alter the final text that will appear on the page. Once everything looks perfect to you, click Continue. Work on the final settings that you are already familiar with, and again, click Continue. After you're ready with the domain settings, you can publish the landing page. After coming back to the AI campaigns page, you can see that one of the elements of the AI campaign, the landing page, was published, and you can even check your statistics here. Now let's work on the autoresponder. As you probably mentioned before, AI generates subject lines for you. We will be talking more about the autoresponder later, but in the settings for this tool, you can start by adjusting the time you want your welcome email to go out to the user. My welcome letter is sent to the user at the same time they sign up. Further down on the page, you can edit your autoresponder message. This one looks good for me. However, you can still work on the design, and once you are done, publish it as well. The same way that we just set up the landing page and autoresponder, we can do the newsletter. Review it, work on the subject line, add recipients, edit the design and content, and send it out to your audience. And that's it. You can create an email marketing campaign with AI. Keep in mind to tailor it to your audience and add a human touch before going live. See you in the next lesson.